Hi everyone, welcome to another video. For those who are new to this channel, my name is Fran and I make videos for the Sunnybank Trust every week. The Sunnybank Trust is a charity for people with learning disabilities and autism. This week's theme is Christmas. We're going to be making these cute little elves today. Let's get started. For this activity you will need some white card and some colouring pencils. You'll also need some tape and a glue stick, as well as some scissors and 2 green pipe cleaners. We have a template this week, so if you're printing your template, you'll need a printer and some paper. If you haven't got a printer and you would like to trace your template, you will need your laptop screen, some paper and a pencil. Find our template link in the caption below. Access our template full screen and turn the brightness up to 100%. Place your paper on top of your screen and lightly trace around the outline and the inside of our template. Cut around the outline of your template. Don't forget to recycle. Take out your glue stick and glue your template to some white card. Using your pencils, colour in your elf template, whatever colours you like. Cut around the outline of your elf shape through your card. Turn over your elf template. Take out your 2 pieces of green pipe cleaner. Fold them both in half and cut. You should now have 4 pieces. Take 2 pieces and place them at the bottom of your template. These will be your legs. Take your other 2 and place them either side of the template. These will be your arms. Cut 4 pieces of tape and tape your pipe cleaners down to the body shape. Turn over your body shape so that you can see the front. Take each pipe cleaner arm and bend it into a zigzag shape. Once you've created the zigzag shape, you can stretch it out to make it longer. Now we're going to do the same with the legs. Bend them into a zigzag shape and then stretch them out again to make them longer. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make an elf craft today. Email us at info@sunnybanktrust.org to share your photos from today's craft.